Welcome back. Now in this lecture we will add social media icon into the right sidebar of our site. So we will add social media icon here on the right side of our site. So for adding social media icon we will need to download a widget from the wordpress.org site. So first we will go to the wordpress.org site, and from here we will download a widget that is something called social media widget. So here this is the widget that we will download from here. Just click on the download button from here to download this widget into your local computer. After you download this widget, go back to your WordPress dashboard, and from the plugin section upload this plugin. After you upload this widget, click on install now, and after installing click on activate plugin. Now go to the appearance section and click on the widgets. Now here you will see a social media widget that is here. Click on it, drag it and drop it into the main sidebar. I will drop it below the visual editor. As you drop this widget into the sidebar, you will see a section open where you can change the title for this widget. By default this is follow us. You can change it to something else, and you can add widget text. As an example, I will write here something like, you can find us on these social networks. And here is a lot of settings. You can change the setting, like you can change the icon alt and title tag from follow us on to something else. You can change the icon size, you can change the icon shape from here. So you can set up these options according to your choice, and then click on social network, and here provide the URL for your social network, like your Facebook URL and your Google URL. So as an example, I will paste the same URL for the rest of the social networks. So you can add URL for all these social network from here. As an example, I add just for this few social network. After you add all the URLs, click on save. After saving this widget, go back to your site and refresh your site. Now here you will see that the widget has been added. So this is the follow us text, and here is the custom text that we provide. You can find us on this social network, and these are the social media icons. You can also change the shape and size of these icons from the WordPress dashboard. Like if you want to change the shape of these icons, so here you can see icon pack. Just click on the drop down and choose your choice from here. After you choose your choice, click on save, and then refresh your page. Now here you can see the shape of these icons are changed now. If you want to change the size, you can do the same in this way. Just go here and you will find an option for icon size. You can change the size to 16 pixel 24. By default it is 32. You can change it to 64 pixel, and you can provide a custom size here. If you click on custom, then you can provide a custom size for these icons. So now the sidebar of our site is looking more beautiful. Now from here the customer can join your social network by clicking on your social media icon from here. So this is how you can add social media icon into the sidebar of your site. Welcome back. Now we will design the footer area of our site. So for designing the footer area, we will go to the appearance and here we will click on the widgets. So here you can see that we have footer 1, footer 2, footer 3 and 4. So we can add widgets to these footer from here. Like if you want to display the image slider in the footer of your site, so you can add the meta slider widget from here. So just drag it and drop it in the footer 1. Now provide a title for this image slider here and then select the image slider from the drop down. Currently we have the only home page slider, so if you want to display an image slider in the footer area, for that first you will need to create a new image slider and then that image slider will be available here in the drop down, so then you can choose that image slider from here and then by clicking on save, the image slider will appear in the footer section of your site. But I don't want to add image slider into the footer section of my site. I will delete this widget and I will add custom menus into the footer area of my site. So for adding custom menus, we will add the widget custom menu into the footer 1. That is this one. So just drag it and drop it in the footer 1. Now you can provide a title for this custom menu, like I will name it about. So this menu will include all the about pages. And here from the drop down you can choose the menu. So currently we have the only main menu, so we will create a new menu and then we will add that menu here into this custom menu. So for creating a menu, first we will need to create some pages. So we will go to the pages section and we will create some pages that will be about pages. So we will click on add new. So the first page will be about our store, so I will name it about our store. So this page will include all the information about our store. After providing the name, you can add all the details about your store here in this section and then click on publish. We will create some more pages, so click on add new. So I will add this page about investor relations. After providing name, provide the details here and then click on publish. The next we will add will be about terms and condition. So I will name it terms and condition and then click on publish. And one another we will create for privacy and policies. So I will name this page privacy and policies and then again click on publish. Now we have created these 4 about pages, so we will now create a new menu from the menu section. So we will go to the appearance and here we will click on menus. Now here click on create a new menu and provide a name for this menu here. So I will name it about. After writing the name for this new menu, click on create menu. Now we will add pages into this menu that we have created now. So from here you can see these are the pages that we created now: privacy and policies, terms and condition, investor relations, about our store. Now click on add to menu. So these pages are added to this menu. Now click on save changes. So here you will see an option for save menu. Click on this button. Now go back to the widget sections and here click on the drop down for footer 1. So here you can see this is the custom menu widget that we already have added to the footer 1. So provide a name for this custom menu here. So I will name it about and then from the drop down select the custom menu. So here you can see this is the menu that we just created, that is about menu. So select this and click on save. Now if you go to our site, Here you will see in the footer area the new custom menu have been added. So the customer can check your privacy and policies, terms and condition, investor relations, and about your store. So we will add a new custom menu into the footer 2 that will be about making money with us. So we will go to the dashboard, and from the menu section we will create a new menu. And here click on the create a new menu link. So I will name this new menu make money with us, and then I will click on create menu. After the menu is created, we will add pages into this new menu. So I already have created some pages for this menu. I will just add these pages from here. That is, sell your product with us, sell your services with us, join our affiliate program, advertise with us. So check the boxes for the pages that you want to add to this menu, and then click on add to menu. Now click on save menu. Now go back to the widget sections, and here add the custom menu widget into the footer 2. Provide a name here for this custom menu. So I will name it make money with us, and then from the drop down select the menu. So this is the one that we just created, make money with us, and then click on save. Now we will create a customer help menu, and we will add that menu into the footer 3. So we will go back and we will create a new menu. Just click on create a new menu, provide a name. So I will name it let us help you. After providing the name, click on create menu, and then add the pages that you have created for the customer help. So I will add these pages from here. So about payment, return and replacement, about your order, about your account, and then I will click on add to menu. Now click on save menu, and go back to the widget section and add this custom menu widget into the footer 3. Write a title for this custom menu, and then from the drop down select the menu. So this was the menu that we just create, and then click on save. Now we will go back to our site, and we will refresh the site. So you will see in the footer area, so you can see here the custom menus are added into the footer area of our site. So the customer from here can check all the pages that you provide for them. So I added these pages just for demonstration to show you how you can add pages into the footer section of your site. You can create beautiful pages and beautiful menu for the footer section of your site. So the footer section of our site is now looking more beautiful. So this was how you can design the footer section of your site. Welcome back. Now we will add a logo into our site. So for adding logo, we will use a plugin, and the name of that plugin is storefront site logo. So first of all, we will install this plugin from the plugin section. So go to your plugin section, and here click on add new. Now search for the plugin storefront site logo. So this is the storefront site logo plugin. Click on install now, and then activate this plugin. After activating this plugin, go to appearance, and here click on customize. Now here you will see a new option, branding, and this option is coming as a result of installing the storefront site logo plugin. So click on this option. Now here you can see we have 3 different options in which you can select your choice, like title and tagline, logo image, or logo image and a tagline. So you can select the radio button for the option that you want to set here. So I will select the radio button for logo image, and then I will select the logo image by clicking on this button. So for demonstration, I have created this logo you can create a beautiful logo for your site and then add that logo into your site. Now click on choose image. Now here you can see the logo is added into our site. So in this way you can add a logo into your site. After adding logo, click on save and publish to publish this logo on your site. So in this way you can add a logo into your site. Welcome back. Now if you want to provide your store phone number to your customers, or if you want to add social media widget here in the top header area of your site, or if you want to add any widget in this area, so you can do this easily with the help of a plugin, and the name of that plugin is storefront top bar. So for installing this plugin, we will go to our WordPress dashboard, and from the plugin section click on add new. Now search for the plugin storefront top bar. So this is the storefront top bar plugin. Click on install now and then activate this plugin. After activating this plugin, go to appearance and here click on widgets. Now here you can see that we have two new area, top bar 1 and top bar 2. So you can add any widget from here to these areas. So to the top bar 2 area I will add a text widget in which I will add the phone number of our store, and to the top bar 1 area I will add the social media widget which will display the social media icon on the top of our site. So first I will add a text widget. So click on the widget, drag it and drop it inside these areas. Now here I will write something like call us for anything, and then I will write the phone numbers of our store, and then I will click on save. Now into the top bar 1 area I will add the social media widget. I will remove this text and then here in the social networking I will add an example URL. So I add an example URL for this Pew social network and then click on save. Now if we go back to our site and if we refresh this page, now you can see the social media icon is added into the top header area of our site, and also the text widget that we added for the phone number is added here. Now if you want to change the background color of this area, or if you want to change the text color, so you can do this easily. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and under appearance click on customize. Now here you will see a new option, top bar. Click on it. So from here you can change the background color of this area, you can change the text color, and you can change the link color. So I will change the background color to white to match it with the background color of the header of our site, and the text color I will change it to blue. Now click on save and publish. Now if we go back to our site and refresh this page, so you can see it is now looking very beautiful. So in this way you can add your store phone number into this area of your site, or if you want to add any widget here in this area, so you can add that easily with the help of this plugin. Welcome back. Now we will add online chat system into our site so that we may be able to chat directly with our customer when they will visit our website. So for adding online chat system into our site, we will need to sign up on a website that is zoopim.com. So search in your browser zoopim.com. Now here provide your name and your email address and then click on try Zoopim. So this site will send you a verification email on the email address that you provide here. So after verifying your email, you will be able to log in on this site. So I have already created an account on this site. I will just click on login. Now when you will log in on this site, you will land on this page, and this is your Zoopim dashboard. Now here in the left side you will see an option widget. Click on it. Now all we need to do is to copy this code from here. But before we copy this code, we can also do some customization in the chat window that will appear on our site. So the first tab is appearance. If we click on appearance, so from here you can change the top title of the chat window that will appear on your site. So here you can see the top title is support. If you want to change it to something else, so you can write your own title. So let's say as an example, I will write something like ask us for anything. And here in this side you can see the preview of your chat window. So you can see here the top title is changed from support to ask us for anything. You can change the background color of this chat window. So I will change it to something like this color. So you can see the background color of the chat window is now changed. You can change the window size to small, medium or large. I would like the medium size. You can also change the widget position to bottom left or bottom right. You can change the mobile widget to overlay window or chat pop out. And then we have some more setting. So from here you can change the background color of this area. So let's say we will change it to this color. So you can see the background color is changed now. You can change the message text, that is chat with us. You can see here the text is chat with us. Now if you want to change it to something else, so you can provide your own text here. Let's say as an example, I will change it to let us help you. You can also upload your custom image here by clicking on the upload image button. You can change the display title from live support to something else, that is here. If you want to change this title, you can change this title. And you can also change the byline ask us anything to something else, that is here. You can also change the message style to speech bubble or simple lines. And you can also customize the online message text and offline message text. So after making changes here, click on save changes. Then the next tab is Palms tab. If we click on Palms tab, so here you can allow the customer to enter their phone numbers and you can allow their social login from here. And the pre-chat palm feature is disabled in the pre-version of this widget. So there are some features that will be disabled in the pre-version of this widget, and if you purchase this widget, then it will provide you all of its features. You can change the offline greeting from here and then click on save changes. Then the next tab is settings. So from here you can choose your language and you can enable and disable the notification sounds. So here is some more settings that if you want to customize, so you can customize it from here. And then finally click on save changes. Now after making customization, go to the getting started tab and copy this code from here with Ctrl C. And then go back to your WordPress dashboard. Now here go to appearance and click on editor. And here find the footer.php file and click on it. Now inside the footer.php file, find the end of the body element. So this is the end of the body element. Now before the end of this body element, paste that code here. And then click on update file. Now if we go back to our site and if we refresh this page, so you can see here the chat window is added into our site. Now if a customer want to chat with us from our site, so from here the customer will be able to chat with us. So let's say as an example, I am sending a message from the customer side. So you can see the message is sent from the customer side. Now for chatting with our customers, we will need to be logged in our Zopim dashboard. So if I go back to the Zopim dashboard, now here click on the request tabs. So you can see here this is the message from the visitor. Now if you want to reply to this visitor, so you can type your message here. So you can see the reply here. So this is now looking very nice, and now we are able to chat with our customers directly when they will visit our website. So this is how you can add online chat system into your site.